In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Escape Massage Chair. The only tool required for assembly is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, you'll start by draping the chair's cushion over the body of the chair and zippering it to the zippers along the sides of the seat and the sides of the backrest. Then, locate the electrical input on the underside of the backrest cushion and connect it to the output tube on the left hip side of the chair. Finally, zipper the cushion to the last zipper on the top of the chair. Next, you'll want to bring the chair into the upright position. To do so, plug the power cord into the port on the back of the base of the chair. Then plug the remote cord into the port to the left and flip the power switch to on, which should automatically bring the chair into the upright position. Additionally, secure the Velcro flap on the base to the Velcro strip on the underside of the chair. Once upright, you will be attaching the arm sections. If already on, remove the 2 screws and washers from the shelving of the chair. Take the arm and resting it on the shelving, connect the angled air hose on the chair to the nozzle on the armrest, as well as the electrical connector. Then, line up the hole on the rear of the inside of the arm with the metal pin on the inside of the chair. Position the arm so that the metal brackets on the underside line up with the screw holes on the shelving of the chair. Then take 2 screws and washers and tighten them into the holes, securing the arm into place. Finally, take the hip airbag piece and connect its air nozzle to the air hose on the hip side of the chair's seat. Place the 2 pins on the base of the hip piece into the holes on the seat, peeling back a little on the seat cushion if needed, and push down until it secures into place. Be sure that you have the correct hip piece for its respective side of the chair by ensuring that the air nozzle connects at the front and that the zipper on the base closes towards the back. Repeat the same process for the other side. Next, bring the leg rest up to the front of the chair. Connect the 3 air hoses to the 3 air nozzles according to their colors, as well as the white electrical plug to the white port on the chair with the thumb clip side facing up. If attached, remove the 2 screws from the 2 latches on the housing of the chair and open up both latches. Lift up the leg rest and place the 2 brackets on the inside into the latches, closing the latches over the brackets. Then, take the 2 screws and tighten them into place. Finally, Velcro the flap on the top of the leg rest to the front of the seat cushion, removing any cloth pieces if there are any covering the Velcro strips. Next, you will attach the shoulder airbag pieces. Ensure that you have the correct piece for the respective side by making sure that the top part will be angled down and that the plastic stripe will line up with the stripe on the rest of the chair. Place it so that the metal pin inserts into the hole on the side of the chair, as well as so the 2 large holes on the shoulder pieces position over the 2 screws on the side of the chair. Then push down on it at an angle until it locks into place. Lastly, take the headrest and Velcro it to the Velcro strip on the top of the chair, as well as the remote holder to the Velcro on the underside of the right armrest. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Escape Massage Chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the quick relaxation program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.